Guess what? It's time to make that dream of you becoming a business owner a reality. No longer do you wish to clock in and clock out on that 9 to 5 job. There's a voice telling you it's time, but you have no idea where to begin or which steps to take. Hi, I'm Jackie Vernon Thompson, owner of Build Your Business LLC. We've created an online self-paced Build Your Business masterclass just for you. This class will walk you step by step to accomplish every task needed to establish your LLC, your nonprofit organization, or any type of business you choose to establish. In order to be considered a legitimate and trusted business, there is a protocol, and we have it outlined just for you. We'll be hands-on with you in every task: registering, marketing, networking, engaging, delivering speeches, launching, and beyond. Plus, we will be your lifetime mentor. Click on the link below to review our curriculum and get started. You'll be happy you did. See you at the table.